Hey guys, what's up? It's your girl Ktura Kay, and I am here with a new video on the new Rihanna concealers and powder. I have the new shades. It's so hard when it comes to Fenty Beauty for me to pick out my shade because there's so many shades that are similar. Some are more warm, some are more cooler, but they're very similar, and it's hard to see like on the back of your hand. You have to really try them on to get the perfect match, or you may even have to mix them. So that's what I found myself doing when I got the foundations when they first came out. But anyways, I'm going to show you all how I apply the concealers and use the powders. I'm also going to show you all the different ways that you can use these concealers for highlighting, concealing, color correcting, and contouring. So you definitely want to stay tuned for that. So without further ado, don't forget to hit that like and subscribe button to be notified when I post new videos, and that bell. And I can't wait to show you all the new collection. So these are the concealers, and they come in a little package like this. I have a large variety of colors because I'm just like the type of person where I have to have this color, this color, this color, just so I can be prepared if this color doesn't work, if this color doesn't work. I like to have backups. So I have here the 390, which is my shade, well, which was my shade in the Fenty Beauty collection, and when the foundations came out, and this is 390. And I think that my skin tone is a tad bit too, it's lighter now. So the foundation and this color in general is just too warm and too red, kind of too orangey for me. So this is what I thought would be my color, but I did still use this. Even though it was a little bit red, I kind of used it more so as a color corrector.
These products are also great for your eyebrows. I actually used it to conceal underneath my eyebrows and just basically give it that sharp, clean finish.
I also use 360, which is another concealer. This concealer is perfect for when you're going in under that eye to brighten up that under eye area. So I use that. And for contour, you can use 480, which is darker, and it's a whole lot darker. But I found myself drawn more towards the sticks, still the match sticks that they have. I love espressos to contour with, so I will be contouring with that in the video. But this is very creamy, but it's more of like a liquidy cream. So you have to really take control. And I like the stick because it's a little more stiff, and it's, you know, you just have to blend it out a little bit better, but you won't have too much product, kind of like with this. So you'll see that also. But overall, I love the consistency. I like how they dry down. They look really nice. And now we're going to talk a little bit more about the powder. They come in a packaging like this. And I have the shades. I got Banana. I'm going to show y'all Banana. This is Banana, if you can see. The packaging is lovely, but it's kind of hard opening these things. Like when they get stuck, girl, it's hard to open these. But yeah, see, like, look at that. It's getting like stuck somewhere in there. But y'all, excuse my nails. Pretty Couture nails will be added within a few hours because I'm actually doing a photo shoot later. But I really wanted to come on here and get this done. So yes, Banana is light. It's more pale than like the banana powder that some people used to use, and it is also more pale than the Buttercup powder. So it's kind of like, honestly, a mix between Banana and Honey. So this is Honey, and it has a little more, y'all, I'm wasting it. But this is Honey, and I used this one today. You'll see that in the video. I used Banana last night. Y'all, the horror story about my video last night, my camera kept zooming in and out, like I said, so I had to redo it. So I'm glad I did, because I got to alter a few things and got to see how the products actually worked, and what I didn't like, what I did like, and what I wanted to see changed, and how I was going to change it. So I kind of thought about that and just kind of winged it again today, and just used a few different things because I have 4 of the powders. So I'm like, okay, what powder do I want to use for the under eye? You know what I'm saying? So I used a different one. I like Honey a lot better than the Banana. So this is Cashew. It's another color that I got, which I didn't even really open Cashew because Hazelnut, I was kind of drawn towards that more. Hold on. You see, like cashew has, it's a little bit brown. It's brown, but it has like a pale undertone. And I really kind of didn't like that. I kind of didn't like how pale it was, but that's why I was drawn more towards the hazelnut powder. So I'm gonna show y'all hazelnut, see, for the rest of my entire face. So that is hazelnut. It has more of a warm undertone, perfect for my skin tone. And they also have a few more shades, and they have on the website where you can go and look at the shade of powder, and they have the range of the foundation and concealer numbers that match with each powder. So yeah, so I like the consistency. It's not really chalky at all. I'm still gonna go in and spray with my setting mist just to set everything in place. But this is it without any setting spray or anything like that. So I really like how everything came out. So I'm not gonna ramble anymore. I definitely wanted to come on here and chit chat a little bit about the consistency of the concealers and how I like the powders and stuff like that. So thank you all so much for watching. Overall, I'm loving this look. I still haven't set my face yet with the mist, so I'm gonna do that now. Rihanna, she really got y'all set, y'all. Seriously, y'all gotta get in there and pick your color. You definitely have to, I think it's more of a hands-on process with Fenty, but if you already know your foundation shade, then you should be perfect. You should be good to go. So I'm gonna spray. Oh, goodness. That came out. Okay. That is the CoverGirl Outlast Active. I'm hoping this lasts all day. It says it's supposed to be 24-hour wear, and it's a cooling setting mist, and I do feel a nice little refreshed feeling, and I feel nice and cool. So I love that because makeup can be hot sometimes. So that's that. Thank you all so much for watching. Don't forget to hit that like and subscribe button and that bell to be notified when I post new videos, like I always say. So let's get it this year. It's 2019. If you have any questions, comment down below. If you've tried out the new Fenty Beauty collection, let me know what your thoughts are. What do you think about it? So I will see y'all later. Bye.